A health alert in Carteret County. It's after health officials say they're seeing a spike in whooping cough cases. The illness can be deadly to people with a weak immune system, including children and the elderly. WNCT's Bailey Martin reports.
When you hear the name whooping cough, it may strike you as a disease that your parents or grandparents had to deal with, but is mostly gone now. But Carteret County has seen a spike in cases this year that leads them to believe that the vaccine does not last as long as they thought. Whooping cough can be very dangerous to people with a compromised immune system, like babies, pregnant women, or elderly people.
Of course, they would be more susceptible because their immune system is lower.
And a spike in cases this year has led the health department to think that the vaccine may be less effective.
The numbers that I've seen are between 4 and 20 years that it can last, and we don't really know why. It's just starting to come forward.
The health department is warning residents to be on the lookout for ways to protect themselves.
Our biggest concern is to make sure that infection control policies are being followed, cleaning policies are being followed to keep that infection from spreading.
The department usually only sees 5 cases per year, and they are already over that number so far for this year. If you think you may be exposed to whooping cough, the health department is urging you to see a doctor and then stay home while you're on antibiotics to avoid spreading it to other people. In Carteret County, Bailey Martin, 9 on your side.